I took 1 gallon cow milk and I will make cheese with it. So you have to keep stirring slowly with medium heat. If you want, you can use the powder milk, but rasogulla, which is Bengali sweet, it will be not good with powder milk. Temperature is 200. So now we're going to stop our fire. Now I prepare some lemon juice. I took 2 medium-sized lemon and 4 spoon water mixed with it. Now we'll slowly we'll put the lemon juice and we'll have to keep it stirring. Small lemon juice. Again, keep putting. I will be put all rest of the lemon juice inside everywhere. Now I am seeing that milk is start breaking out. It's ready. Now we will be slowly check out and hold it like that. It should be hard, be careful. Okay. And you can use this cheese water, is healthy. You can use for making bread, or you can use for curry, a lot of things. So I'm going to keep it, so I will be make bread with that. So now I'm going to hang it somewhere for half an hour. So our farmer cheese is ready. Look at that, how ball look like. Broken, nice dry, but inside have still moisture. Now if you want to make rasogulla, you have to smash it properly. So you have to use hand part of this part and you have to use it. Just follow me how I'm doing this. So you have to keep doing that until the cheese become a smooth. So cheese look like ready. You see how smooth look like. One secret I want to reveal for you guys: if you want to do perfect rasogulla, spongy rasogulla, you have to add arrowroot or cornstarch. Arrowroot is the best option to add, but I don't have arrowroot. I'm using 2 spoon cornstarch. Now you have to mix it very nicely, gently, same like before. Now we will make roll like that. You use the 2 hands, make roll nicely. It has to be smooth. Make sure that. So put one side. Similar, we have to make. Similar, we have to make same size, as many we can. So our rasogulla dough is ready. Now we're gonna boil it to become a spongy rasogulla. I made some boiled water. I took around 8 cup of water. I'm putting 4 cardamom, 1 bay leaves. We're gonna add 10 big spoon of sugar. Now we'll take out the bay leaf because this bay leaf can cause to break my cheese dough. 1 pinch of salt. I see that in the bottom of the water as start bubbling. Put 1 by 1 dough inside slowly. So we don't want to touch until 4 minutes, and we want to keep our heat high. 4 minutes is done, and you see the cheese ball become a double size, and we will be cover it with, first we will be do medium heat and we cover it and keep it like that another 10 minutes. Open the lid. Wow, like triple size. Little medium high heat. Keep another 7 minutes without lid. Our rasogulla is ready. So we close the fire and put lid top of that. Cool down. After cool down, keep in refrigerator. Then will be served. So our rasogulla is ready. So look how spongy and delicious look like.